Yeah, I'm supposed to get my push rods today. So I burned out a little degree wheel, basically just to set the valves. We used to do a lot of camshaft and lifters in the 70s and early 80s. GM had a problem with their soft cams. So basically all I did is 4 marks on it, 90 degrees apart. And then 2 revolutions will get all 8 cylinders. So we always want to make sure when we set lifters that haven't been pre-filled with oil that they're on the base circle of the cam. So if I bring up each cylinder in the order of the firing order, 1, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2, 2 revolutions, I'll be able to set all the valves. So you put in the push rod, set the rocker arm until you just feel some resistance. And I know there's mixed. We used to go 1 turn on the lifter, which centered the plunger. You know, a lot of guys on YouTube are doing a half turn, so I don't know which is correct. But I got these little roller tip rocker arms. Could have used the old push rods. They were just extremely dirty. It was easier to buy new push rods than it was to take the time to clean them all. So should get those today. Get the valve set, get the intake manifold on, and we're making progress. Thanks for watching.